right here. Shopping, you know, gotta make some spaghetti tonight. I'll show y'all some of the ingredients when I get home.
Can you ask
Where's
the journal book?
She's looking for a journal because she messed up hers. We ended up looking everywhere. Do you have like journal books?
Right there?
Yeah. We're at the Sari store right now. Oh, a Sari-SAri. What, babe?
Oh, this one.
Yes or no?
Journal.
Oh, these are all the ones I have then. She's looking for a specific journal for the university.
Oh, where's the one?
There goes my baby. No?
Babe, I really need the journal.
What happened to the one you had? You threw it away? Then? You check upstairs? I don't know. Did you look all the way over here?
Yeah.
What's the name of the journal?
Journal book.
Oh my god.
Maybe we can ask.
That's what I'm going to ask her, but there's so many journals right here.
Kuya, what mo journal book? Journal?
What?
No, they don't have it.
No? So we're about to go home and get it cooking. That's it, or what?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, y'all. So we just got back from the Sari-SAri store. We got some spaghetti, some Filipino, sweet, meaty, and cheesy, and corned beef. We couldn't find no ground meat because I don't know if it's hard here or whatever. No one sold it. And I got the spaghetti right here. I went ahead and put the spaghetti in first. I'm gonna make Marilyn some spaghetti for dinner. She said she forgot how to cook it. So we got the noodle part cooking. I'm gonna wait till it gets ready. Then I'll drain the water and start the pasta. The sauce. So we're gonna have to start with the where? This is the closest we're gonna get to have some kind of meat in the spaghetti down here. For what?
To borrow.
Gotta finish my vlog here first. Got a cooking channel going on, baby. Tastes good. Let me see.
You just want to see?
How much did you buy? 2 nomás? Your hair. I'm gonna cut this one.
Go.
I'm playing. Let me see. Oh, this is good. You only buy 2, huh?
3.
Oh, 3? Okay. You only want to put 1? Oh, that's good.
This is the one. I'm so tired.